Hi, this is Gary. In this tutorial I'm going to briefly walk through how you upload your marketing image on LULU Books. In order to save time, I've listed my agenda on the right, and we're going to go ahead and start with MS Paint. First, you go on your computer and you want to open MS Paint. I usually click on the bottom right hand corner or bottom left hand corner screen, and then it'll give me a bunch of features, and then I will click Open Paint. You just got to open MS Paint from your desktop is basically it. Then once Paint is open, you want to use Control E to change the width and the height to LULU standards. So we hit Control E there, and then once we have it open, it's going to give us image properties. Now we're going to want to change the width to 612 and the height to 792. That's a width of 612 and a height of 792, and then we click OK on that. And then next, we're going to, this may be the hard part, we draw, paste our picture here, or whatever file we want, or whatever type of artwork, and it's going to be in the 612 by 792. Now keep in mind, when you draw or paste your picture, most people are going to look at it from a smaller screen than the size of the paper. So if you're going to put font on there, make it like bigger font, because when somebody's looking at the picture, it's going to actually be either a half or a quarter the size that you see it when it's full size. So you want to have, bigger fonts, and don't go into small detail because most people aren't going to notice it. Now don't forget to go ahead and save your work under the File Save menu, and then save it to a place where you're comfortable with. Or this might actually be better doing this as a first step, because it's about a 5 to 10 minute process. You have to install the Google Chrome browser. If you already have it installed, you can skip this part, but go ahead and go to www.google.com and then click on Install Google Chrome, and then this next page is going to come up. You click on Download Chrome. Then after waiting a few more seconds, this page is going to come up. You click on Accept and Install. And then the next page I didn't manage to get a copy of, but in about 15 to 30 seconds after you click on the previous page, which says Accept and Install, there's going to be a button or a small screen that comes up, and it's going to say Run, Don't Run. You're going to want to click Run, and then you're going to have to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to load, or at least that was my experience. Now if you have a fast computer, the computer I was using was pretty fast, and it took about 5 to 10 minutes to load, so it could be longer than that depending on what type of computer you have. The next step, we want to go to lulu.com, obviously through the Chrome browser. You click the login button right there, and then we go ahead and we log in, type in our email, password, or whatever combination we use there, and then once we're logged in, we go to this ebooks category here, and we put I'm ready to publish, and we go ahead and type our working title. I've got test here, and then I hit save and continue. Then we go to upload our document there, and then we'll click save and continue. And then we'll say our interior file is complete, so we hit save and continue again. And then we have a picture. Well, most of us don't like this generic background cover with the title and name on it, so we go to backgrounds and pictures, which I've circled there, and then it's going to come up edit picture right below. We're going to click on edit picture. Then this is going to come up, and we are going to select use a different file, and then we have two options here. You're going to select the first option that says upload a file. I've highlighted it there for you, and then the next option is going to be choose a file, which I've circled there. And so we're going to select choose a file, and then after we select our file from browsing from our desktop, which we saved, I selected Smart Aleck comment here. We click on accept, which I've circled there, and then our image comes up here. Now if you'll notice, there is writing on top of it, which we don't really like because that kind of wrecks our marketing image. Or if I had a nice picture there, we don't really want test and test on there. So then I go down to the bottom there, see where it says text. I've circled it there, and there's 2 spots of text. Now you want to remove the text from that those 2 spots right there. And then after you remove it, it's going to take a little while to update, a few seconds or so. Then you're going to click on Make Image, and then the image is going to appear up there as I've shown right there. And then you'll click on Save and Continue, and that is pretty much it. Now remember, to upload your marketing image on Lulu, you have to install the Google Chrome browser, otherwise it won't work. I've found that out the hard way. Hopefully this will save you some time. Thanks.